अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। यूनिफॉर्म circular motion. We know that when a particle or any object changes its position from initial to final, then we say that displacement takes place or the object is in motion. Uniform means with same velocity, constant velocity or constant acceleration. Now uniform circular motion. We observe every day the tips of second hand of a clock. Observe the tip of the second hand of a clock. What can you say about its velocity and speed? The speed of the tip is constant, but the direction of its displacement and therefore its velocity is constantly changing. As the tip is moving along a circular path, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Can you give more examples of such motion? Uniform circular motion. Think and write in your notebook any three examples of uniform circular motion. Look at the diagram. This is a diagram of a rectangular path. Now look at the motion of the ruler. Here we have to change the direction. Here also change in direction takes place second time. Third time we change the direction of the object, and to reach our initial position, this is fourth time we change the direction. How many times we have to change the direction while tracing the complete path? Obviously 4 times. Look at the other diagram. This diagram have 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you increase the number of sides of the polygon and make it infinite, how many times will you have to change the direction? This shows that if we look at the diagram, page number 1.10 at page number 10. As we increase the number of sides, we have to keep changing direction more and more times. And when we increase the number of sides to infinity, the polygon becomes a circle. When an object is moving with a constant speed along a circular path, the change in velocity is only due to the change in the direction. Hence, it is accelerated motion. Page number 10. Look at page number 10. When an object moves with constant speed along a circular path, the motion is called uniform circular motion. Underline this definition and note it in your notebook. Fourth line of paragraph. When an object moves with constant speed along a circular path, the motion is called uniform circular motion. For example, the motion of a stone in a swing or that of any point on a bicycle wheel when they are in uniform motion. Your homework for today is write 3 or 5 examples of uniform circular motion, and from page number 10 learn the definition of uniform circular motion. So meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.